How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Surendra Kumar Ari. Today I am going to teach you next step of tense, present perfect continuous tense. So be ready to teach present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we would like to know the identification of present perfect continuous tense. First step, identification. Identification of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to show an action of a present time that is carry on with time, but not completed yet. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है टू शो एन एक्शन ऑफ प्रेजेंट टाइम. वर्तमान समय के ऐसे कार्य को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. दैट इज कैरी ऑन विद टाइम, जो कि समय के साथ जारी है, अर्थात इसमें कार्य जारी होता है, साथ में समय भी होता है. बट नॉट कंप्लीटेड येट, जो कि पूरा नहीं हुआ है. यू वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय सम एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, Mohan has been watching television for 2 hours. In first example, we would like to understand the condition of this tense. Mohan has been watching television for 2 hours. मोहन 2 घंटे से टेलीविजन देख रहा है, अर्थात मोहन 2 घंटे से टेलीविजन देखने का कार्य जारी है. उसका कार्य जो टेलीविजन देखने का है वो पूरा नहीं हुआ है. अर्थात इसमें जो एक्शन होता है, इसमें जो टास्क होता है वो रनिंग रहता है, अर्थात जारी रहता है, कैरी ऑन रहता है, क्रियाशील रहता है, प्रगति पर रहता है. कार्य चलता रहता है, कार्य पूरा नहीं हो पाता है. परफेक्ट में कार्य पूरा हो जाता है. सेकंड एग्जांपल, आई हैव बीन मेकिंग ए speech. I have been making a speech since morning. I have been making a speech since morning. मैं सुबह से एक भाषण दे रहा हूं, अर्थात जो भाषण देने का जो कार्य है वो जारी है, इसलिए इसमें जो टास्क होता है वो रनिंग रहता है, कैरी ऑन रहता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इट हैज टाइम आल्सो, इसमें समय भी होता है. देखो, कार्य के साथ साथ समय भी है. जैसे पहले एग्जांपल में हमने देखा कि मोहन हैज बीन वाचिंग टेलीविजन फॉर 2 hours. मोहन है जो टेलीविजन 2 घंटे से देख रहा है. इसमें मैं सुबह से भाषण दे रहा हूँ, इसमें टाइम आया है और कार्य जारी है भाषण देने का. उसमें क्या है, टाइम आया 2 घंटे का, और कार्य जो टास्क है जो है वाचिंग टेलीविजन, टेलीविजन देखने का है, ये टास्क हो गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ दिस टेंस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब। देयर आर 2 हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ दिस टेंस। फर्स्ट है हैज बीन, सेकंड हैव बीन। फर्स्ट, second step, helping verb. There are 2 helping verb of this tense. First has been, second have been. Has been used for singular, have been used for plural, singular he, she, it, name, etc. Have is used for plural, I, we, you, they, boys, girls, etc. So helping verb clear. Third step, main verb. Main verb. Main verb is used in present perfect continuous tense, present participle form of verb. Present participle form of verb. Otherwise we can say before also. अदरवाइज वी कैन से बिफोर आल्सो। दूसरे तरीके से हम बिफोर भी बोल सकते हैं। बिफोर मतलब वर्ब में आईएनजी का प्रयोग, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी। फोर्थ स्टेप ऑफ दिस टेंस, fourth step of this tense, that is use of for or since. Use of for since. Use of for since are used in this tense. For is used period of time, and since is used for period, point of time, point of a time. We can say for is used period of time, समय की कोई अवधि हो. We can it is used for indefinite time. We can say it is used for definite time. Like definite time we can say since morning, since evening, since noon, since yesterday, since tomorrow, etc. And indefinite time, period of time, for 2 hours, for 3 years, for 5 years, etc. Next step, there are 2 adverbs are used in this tense, for since plus time. These words are used as adverb of this tense. And fifth step, structure of this tense, and otherwise we can say formula of this tense. Formula: affirmative sentence. For affirmative sentence, first of all, subject, then helping verb has been and have been. Third, before, which mean first form plus ing also. Object, then, for, since, then object. I repeat it once again. Subject, helping verb has been, have been, then verb, then object, then for, since, then time. Here time. Negative sentence. Subject, has, have, plus not, plus been, plus before, plus object, plus for, since, plus time. This is affirmative structure. This is negative structure of this tense. Next structure, interrogative. Next structure, interrogative of this tense. Interrogative. Has, have, plus subject, plus been, plus before, plus object, plus for, since, plus time, plus question mark. In interrogative plus negative sentence, we can add only one word, that is not, at the place of third. Has, have, plus subject, plus not, plus been, plus before, plus object, plus for, since, plus time, question mark also. So that is four structure of present perfect continuous tense. Next, some example. We can take some example, like first example of this tense. Example first, Rohit has been playing cricket since morning. This is affirmative sentence of this tense. Second, negative sentence of this tense. Ram has not been living in this village. Ram has not been living in this village since 2015. Third step, third sentence of this tense, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative example, we can take third interrogative. interrogative sentence, first of all we have to write helping verb. Any example. Has Aman been writing a story for 2 hours? Question mark also. So that is interrogative sentence of this tense. Next step. Fourth. Interrogative plus negative. We can take plural pronoun example like have you not been living in this city since 2010? Question mark also. So that is fourth step of this tense. Interrogative plus negative sentence. You have recognized carefully. How did you feel to take my class today? Please tell me in comment box and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.